Hey there! Today is the 12th and last day of the 12 days of baked goods. Thank you so much for watching all the videos, and I hope you enjoyed all the recipes. Today we're going to be making this Mickey gingerbread man inspired by the one at the Disneyland Resort. And as always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this treat. We're going to start with our giant Rice Krispie square. I will leave you my recipe down below if you would like to make this at home, or you can buy pre-made. Then we're going to cut out our Mickey shapes. You can make them large, you can make them small. So here's my Rice Krispie Mickey that I'm going to be using. I'm going to get some brown candy melts to dip this in to make it kind of look like the gingerbread. We're going to start by putting our Popsicle Stick in there. You can do the Popsicle Stick or you can keep this out of it. And then we're going to dip this into the candy melt to coat the front of the face. My combination is a little bit of the chocolate with some white candy melt to get this brown. So just dip it, then remove the excess chocolate. And then once it's hardened, we're going to decorate this. With some white royal icing, I'm going to be adding the dots. I have some red royal icing for the lines. And then some green royal icing for the other lines. And then finish it with those white dots again. And just repeat this with the other ear as well. You're going to want really stiff royal icing if you're going to be using it. If not, you can always use candy melts. So I add the white dots, add the red lines again, add the green lines. And then with some black royal icing, I'm going to be making the face. So I'm drawing out the black line for his smile. And then adding the cheeks, the blush with the red. Adding the nose. And the eyes, I'm going to make them in an oval shape. And then I'm going to just finish off the decoration with a little bit of the white on the black to give the pupils and the shine on the nose. And there's our gingerbread Mickey Rice Krispie treat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to stay up to date with all my recipes, hit the subscribe button. Happy holidays and stay sweet!